Hey guys, welcome back to Limitless Trading. Kind of wanted to set you up for the week coming up. We have CPI coming in, I believe, on Tuesday. The estimates I'm reading are about 3.1. The print might be 3.0 or lower. So while it's still very sticky and very flat, it's probably going to be one of those events that the algos buy the dip because it's going to be lower than the expectations. But I want to talk to you about PLTR, where Michael Burry was wrong, starting to short. I know that he believes in fundamentals, probably is absolutely correct. But I told you guys the chart was bullish. We were seeing a megaphone pattern, and we're actually hitting our target. So congratulations if you took our long and didn't short Palantir, where Michael Burry is short. So he's technically kind of underwater right now in his position. Now he's holding out to 2027. I don't know a lot of people that want to hold that long with the possibility of being wrong, because even if he's wrong, he's done very well from the big short. But let's take a look at the chart and see where he was wrong, where we were right, and what we can do to position better. So we had mentioned to you that this right here, this line right here from here to here was basically the bottom of what looks like to be a megaphone pattern going into seasonality, right? So this was the top, this was defense. Burry was short here, and I'm suspecting that he's still holding it because he's till 2027. And I said, hey, this was triggering on our AI as a long. 682 was 675 was an immediate target, and 182, 175, and then 172 were hitting it. We did reject a little bit at the 188 area, which is fine. The market could start bouncing off, and then maybe around into January reject, and then come back down, right? Trap some bears, bulls up there, trap some bears here, make Michael Burry a genius again. Peak, this peak being the head and being a shoulder. Now I always defer to the bullish patterns where this could easily be, again, the megaphone pattern that is very bullish, or this could be a double bottom right here down in the August area, and then this being the other double bottom, and then, you know, all-time high. So I'm always weary against betting against AI. Palantir, you know, has the suspicion of being, you know, a CIA company. Rumor or not, it has a lot of military contracts, it has a lot of government contracts, has IRS contracts. So your levels to watch: 190 rejects. Be very careful betting against trend, but sometimes those are the best ones that pay. I would more likely like a retest of this trend line up here, somewhere, let's say, into the 220 area, right? So 190 rejects. Take your puts down to 146 again if you want. Just keep it tight on the stop loss because you're betting against trend. Or if it breaks out and then we hit this trend line here in the 200s, or, you know, anything above 208, which was almost 207, which was the last all-time high, that would be a phenomenal short, because no one is shorting in the nosebleeds, right? That's where everybody gives up, everybody stops hedging. So that's kind of where I want to see it. So congrats if you bet against Burry, you went long. If not, you still have an opportunity to short with him a little bit higher.